Being a mum to a child on the autism spectrum has stripped me of every illusion of control. I'm Jana from Blois Allo, and this is hashtag Motherhood Unfiltered. I don't believe my child is random, and I don't believe their challenges were designed that way. We live in a broken world. Bodies struggle, genetics carry history. But I do believe God knew, and He entrusted this life to me on purpose. Not because I'm perfect, but because He knew who this child would be. Their strengths, their struggles, their wiring, nothing about them is unseen. My job isn't to fix them. It's not to force them to fit into a world that measures worth by productivity and performance. My responsibility is to guide them toward their Creator in the way they were uniquely made, to help them grow in their strengths, to stand steady in their weaknesses, to remind them they are more than a diagnosis, and to raise them to be a light, not by trying harder, but by letting the one who made them shine through them. Motherhood for me isn't about control, it's stewardship, and it's sacred.